How to eat popcorn like a macho man. Step 1. Take off the shirt. This is because you need to show off your muscle, your amazing body, the macho-ness. Step 2. Put your hand inside the bag of popcorn. Step 3. Take 5 the popcorn from the bag. It has to be 5. If you get more, then you are a pig. Step 4. You take all the 5 popcorn in your mouth. Step 5. Chew the popcorn with your mouth closed. If your mouth is open, you want more and you are a pig. Step 6. Drink a beer. Should not be milk. Should not be soft drinks. Must not be water. Milk is for babies. Soft drinks for weak. Water is from the river. Step 7. Flicks. Step 8. Kiss your bicep. This is how a macho man celebrates. Step 9. Digest.